Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, and I am Casey.
And yesterday, Casey and her sister were doing something in our garden. What were you doing?
We were playing on that boat there.
On the boat, because we had to get the boat out for a reason. And it made me think, are you missing going on the boat?
No.
No. Do you not like going on the boat on the sea?
No, because it's too scary.
It's too scary? Oh. Well, we're going to go to Andrew now, who's done a little activity for us, and we're going to copy it, and then we'll come back here in a bit.
Hello. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper boat. I hope you enjoy. Step 1. You need an A4 piece of paper or card. Step 2. Decorate to look boat-like. Step 3. Fold in half. Step 4. Fold the edges back to the middle. Step 5. Fold each corner to the middle. Step 6. Fold each corner almost to the middle, leaving a small gap of 2 millimeters. Fold the short edges to the middle, again leaving a small gap. Turn inside out to reveal your boat.
Now we've made the boat and look, it's floating.
Yeah, and what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to take this bouncy ball and Casey is going to drop it from different heights to see how long the boat will stay afloat in our water. So after all that experimenting, our boat is still floating in the water with a little person still inside. And earlier, Casey, you said that you were a bit scared when you go on our boat in the sea, didn't you?
Yeah.
But it reminds me of a story of a boat and a storm and Jesus sleeping in the boat, and his friends were really scared because a storm came along and the boat was rocking and shaking and the waves were getting higher and higher, and they went to Jesus and woke him up and told him that they were really, really scared, and Jesus got up and he calmed the storm. And it just reminds me that even when we're feeling a bit scared, or even when we're feeling like we can't do something, that Jesus is there with us through the difficult times, through the hard times, in the difficulties. Jesus is there with us. And Casey's going to say a little prayer for us now.
Safe with God. Dear God, when I am feeling sad, thank you for keeping me safe. When I am feeling all alone, thank you for keeping me safe. When I am feeling scared, thank you for keeping me safe always.